Subscribe to Swaroop Stunt YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest videos from the world of stunt riding.
Now remove the bearing from the wheel hub from both the sides. To turn it and use a screwdriver as such to remove the bearing of this side. Use a hammer as well. You have to hit hard so that the bearing comes out from the other sides. See, you have to remove this. One side bearing is removed, you have to go to the other side now. Now do it from the other side as well. The hammer and find the groove where you can see it coming from the other side as well. You have to hit it from the other side. Almost done. Few more reps. You'll get two bearings for both the sides. The bigger bearing goes to the near the disc plate, and the smaller one goes to the other side of the disc plate. Use genuine parts from the company itself. Okay, now we have to clean that part near the where the bearing goes. Now cut it and see the bearing. This one goes to near the disc plate. Use a wooden hammer as such. Slowly hit it, slowly. Hit it with the hammer. You have to correctly place it inside, otherwise you will get a hobbling in the wheel. The alignment should be perfect. And place the bearing of this side as well. Before that you have to clean that. You can also apply grease inside this, and you have to put this. The smaller bearing goes to the other side of the wheel. You can see like the balls which goes inside, and the fiber thing is displayed, that red part is displayed outside. You have to hit it slowly first. And hit with the hammer. You have to place it and confirm it that both the bearings are placed properly. Okay, now it is ready to fix. Put back the rubber o-ring of the wheel bearing. Fold it. You need a few grips on the hammer as well. See, now it is perfect. Clean it nicely and apply the grease as well. Apply grease to all the bearings, hubs, everything on inside as well as outside. Now apply the grease to the bearing hub. Turn it to the other side and apply grease to this side also. The spacer inside and place it back to the wheel. Now it is done. Now we have to get back to the bike and fix it. You need a helping hand for this. So so I'll be keeping my camera aside.